In episode 1 called Basics, I talked about, basics. Art supplies that I use, techniques, what to do and what to avoid. Later, I have created our first drawing interpretation of President Lincoln portrait. Episode 2 called Pets, Flowers and Love, an image created based on portraits of our loved pets. In this case dogs, but you can use an image of any animal you love. In addition, I have built an image using the plants of your choice. 2-in-1 and lots of fun. In episode 3 called Temple of Illusions, I have created an illusionary drawing based on two-point perspective. Using a simple drawing illusion, the ancient temple became a reality. Episode 4 called Baroque Eagle was about utilizing Baroque theme in creating a portrait of a bald eagle. Are there two Baroque figures or a bald eagle? You'll find the answer in episode 4. Episode 5 is all about faces. As a source image, I use a graphic by Renaissance artist Albrecht Dürer. Later, I rebuilt an image of a man's face by introducing a group of smaller portraits. How many faces ended up building a new image? Watch episode 5 to find the answer. Episode 6 called Sea of Dreams. Oh, what a fun it was. In this episode, I took you for a magical journey through unknown seas, freehand drawing a story of a young sailor. Episode 7 called Eye of the Beetle, another drawing created based on my pure imagination. In the first part, I did a quick tutorial on how to draw a human eye. The rest was just me and my pencils. Episode 8, a portrait of Jimi Hendrix. Based on one of the best known photos of Jimi, I have created an image featuring a group of dolphins. Is it Jimi or a school of happy dolphins? You'll be the judge. Passion, emotions and love. These were the main subjects used in episode 9 called Michelangelo's Twist. An image based on one of the most famous drawings by Michelangelo turned out to be something a little bit different. Please have a look. Can something be far and close at the same time? Episode 10 was an attempt to find the answer. After a short lesson on one-point perspective, I have created a drawing that brought all the answers.